If you can see the clip icon on the bottom of a YouTube video, it means you can loop a portion of the video. Click the clip icon, select the portion you would like to clip. You can clip from 5 seconds to 60 seconds by dragging the slider. When I drag the slider, you'll see the white line on the bottom of the video moving along with it. You can also move the portion by scrubbing the back of the video. Select the portion you'd like to clip, add a description, click Share Clip, choose a share option. I'm going to copy and paste the link in the browser so that you can see what the screen looks like. You can see that it's clipped 18 seconds of the video and it will just keep looping. You can watch the full video by clicking here, or you can watch the full video by clicking here. You can manage your clips with the menu on the left by clicking the 3 lines. Your clips will be under your library and also under your clips. If you click the 3 dots, you can share again or delete the video. Click Delete Forever. This may be a useful tool for singers, singing teachers and choir directors to share with students. See you later, alligator.